で、こんにちは、皆さん。私はカテリンです。で、お元気ですか？yun lang. So, what you guys up to? I don't know if later I will go to there in the monumento. Because natamad akong mag-enroll. Natamad akong mag-inquire. Well, mamaya, punta na lang ako. Yay! Kasi tinatamad ako. I'll be eating cream. Oh, would you like some? Yes, that's looking at my... Yeah, I'm so fat. I'm really fat. Hindi uso dahil. I'm sorry about my hair. Yeah, so... see you the next video. I know this is stupid. Sa tingin mo, ano lang, sa tingin mo, ayaw mo, nainis ka sa akin, then don't watch my videos. No, this is the way na nilalabas ko yung saloobin ko. Kasi, baka na mabaliw ako. Yeah. Yun lamang. Bye-bye. Bye.